Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. How are you today? Как дела? У меня замечательно. We all hear the same sounds, but we imitate them differently in our native language. For example, in English language, a dog says woof, woof. In Russian, for some reason, it says gaf, gaf. Today I'm going to share with you all the animal sounds we imitate in Russian language. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's start. Поехали! So, as I told you before, a dog says gaf, gaf in Russian language. Gaf, gaf. Dog in Russian is собака. Собака. Gaf, gaf. A cat, кошка, says meow, meow, meow. When you call a cat, you should say ks, 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 but faster. Ks, 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 ks. When a cat, кошка, purrs, we hear mur, 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 mur. Кукареку. Who says that? Yes, it's a rooster. Петух in Russian language. Петух. Moo says a cow. Корова. Корова. Moo. Утка, a duck, says кря-кря, кря-кря. Га-га-га, says гусь, гусь. Га-га-га. Who says иго-го, иго-го? Yes, it's a horse. Лошадь. Лошадь. Хрю-хрю. 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 This one is very different compared to English. It's a pig. Свинья. Ква-ква-ква, says Russian frog. Лягушка. Лягушка. Ме, says коза, a goat. Коза. Ме. Бе, says овца, a sheep. Овца. Бе. A mouse says пи, 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 пи. Мышка. Мышка. Пи-пи-пи-пи-пи. Карр, 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 says a crow. Ворона. Donkey, ослик, says и-а, и-а, и-а. Ослик. It's a snake. Змея. Змея. Муха. A fly. Муха. У, says a wolf. Волк. Волк. Кут-кудах. Кут-кудах, says a hen. Курица. Курица. What sounds do animals make in your native language? Let me know in comments below. I'm very curious. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!